traditional BBQ chicken recipe. Take some clean, soft and tender pieces of chicken. Beat the chicken pieces so that the thickness becomes less and the masala gets marinated well. Make some deep cuts using a sharp knife so that the masala goes straight inside also. Ingredients: ginger garlic paste, pepper powder, garam masala, chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, salt, cumin powder, lime juice, coconut oil. I have taken very low quantity of masala to get the traditional taste of chicken. Mix all the ingredients to make a fine paste of masala. Apply this masala paste in the chicken pieces. Rub it nicely in the deep cuts also. Let this rest for 30 minutes to 1 hour, so that it's marinated very well. Arrange the fireplace. We have made a brick oven, using bricks and coconut shell. Place the chicken pieces in the fire. Flip it in regular intervals, so that it is evenly cooked. The chicken gets cooked in about 30 minutes, according to its quantity. Traditional, healthy and tasty barbecue chicken is ready. Thank you for watching.